have a closer look at this Copperfit ambidextrous wrist brace with support. It includes a gel pack that you can either heat up or freeze and insert it into your wristband using the Velcro pocket that's in the wristband. It has a padded interior liner and the wristband is washable. Right here, it actually has plastic support inside. It's flexible. You put it on either hand. It's pretty easy to put on. You just put it on and you strap it on with the Velcro. Like that. It's still tight. You can still drive. You can still ride a bicycle. You can write. You can type on a computer. It provides good support. It prevents your wrist from bending from this brace. It's pretty comfortable. So it's padded on the inside. I've actually worn this throughout the whole day. And then at night, I usually take it off because I don't feel it's very comfortable whenever I'm going to bed. You can try it, but I don't feel comfortable with it whenever I sleep. It provides support and also prevents you from using the wrist, so that way it doesn't agitate it from previous injury. Yeah, I'm switching it over to my right hand because I could use on either side. Copperfit Sport Wrist Brace. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.